Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR R-Lipoic Acid, 300 mg, 60 vegetarian capsules. Product Overview Description. Stable form for optimal support vegetarian capsules. Advanced Dietary Supplement, vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, delayed release, GMP Manufacturing, quality assured, independent testing. Discussion. R-Lipoic acid 300 mg contains 300 mg of this powerful antioxidant in a single capsule to enhance its stability and effectiveness. AOR's R-Lipoic acid 300 provides the natural active form R-alpha rather than inactive S-alpha. Suggested use. Take one capsule twice daily without food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients. Organic rice hull, capsule, hypromellose, gellan gum and purified water. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs. Warnings. Consult your physician before use if you are pregnant, lactating, have a medical condition, like diabetes, or if you experience low blood sugar, or are taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.